Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your JBL Tune 110BT with the MacBook. And to do this, let's open Bluetooth on our MacBook first. It should be right here in the top right corner. You can click on additional settings and reveal the Bluetooth. Click to enable it, like that. You can also go for Bluetooth settings to actually find the headphones. So right here I have them. Make sure they are powered off first, and then click on this button right here and hold it for a few seconds. Don't let go. They should power on, and if we keep on holding, it will enter the pairing mode. Now move on to your JBL Tune 110BT, add nearby devices and click on connect. This LED lamp right here should change into static blue light, and that means they are connected with your MacBook. You can see it right here as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.